So, you're a beginner drone pilot and you're finally looking forward to upgrading from your little toy drone. Maybe it's a Holy Stone, or a SEMA, or maybe even a Sky Viper Fury drone. But the point is, you're looking for a good step up from it. Maybe you even have a YouTube channel and you want some nice aerial B-roll. Whatever the case may be, this drone is not only going to exceed your expectations, but by the end of the video, you'll be asking yourself, why didn't I buy this drone sooner? But before we get started, you know what time it is. It's time to roll the intro. Let's get into it. This drone camera is one that leaves many other drones begging for. This drone comes with a 1/2.3 CMOS sensor. It has the ability to shoot 4K up to 30 frames per second, 2.7K up to 30 frames per second, 1080 at 96 frames per second, and 720 at 120 frames per second. It has a video bit rate of 60 megabits a second. It has the ability to shoot images in JPEG and DNG, and video in MP4 or MOV. Pretty portable. This drone does okay with flight. It has a max flight time of about 27 minutes in ideal weather, give or take the circumstances. For me personally at least, 25 to 27 minutes of flight time is an okay amount of battery, especially if you're using the drone to take B-roll. But if you plan on using the drone for more than just frequent flying, then I recommend investing in the Fly More combo, which will give you the 3 extra batteries. So yeah guys, I kind of ran out of room here, so yeah, buy the Fly More combo, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. This drone has a whole buck ton of intelligent flight modes. In total, it has quick shot, gesture, active track, tap fly, tripod, cinematic mode, terrain follow, point of interest, follow me, waypoint, home lock, and course lock. If you guys would like to see a full review of these intelligent flight modes, then make sure to smash the like button and comment on the video telling me that you would like to see a full review. But since this video isn't solely based on reviewing the MAVIC intelligent flight modes in full detail, we're just gonna move on. Oh, where's the button to move on?
Dude, it's right here.
Here?
No, here!
Oh, you're talking about this one.
No!
There are a lot of people out there who state that the DJI MAVIC Pro takes an eternity to charge up. Heck, they even say it takes a millennia to charge up. No, not even. They state... Okay, but for real, the DJI MAVIC Pro, for me at least, doesn't take that long to charge up. I mean, after flying on all 3 batteries, my controller would usually be at about 20 to 30%. And it would usually take me max like an hour to charge. Batteries, on the other hand, yeah, that's a completely different story. They usually take longer since I have 3 of them. They would usually take me an hour and a half to 2 hours to completely charge, give or take some. As you can see, the battery's actually taking a little longer to charge up than the controller. The controller is right now at 100 or close to 100% fully charged, but the batteries, as you can see, they're taking a little longer. So just expect that the batteries are going to take a little longer to charge up than the remote controller. I know precision takeoff doesn't sound like a big deal, but it really is. In fact, the MAVIC Pro is actually one of the only, if not the only drone that has this capability. If you didn't already know, precision takeoff is the ability for the DJI MAVIC Pro to take off and continue flying upwards until it reaches about 20 feet in the air. While it's doing so, it will take pictures from the ground it took off on. You know where I'm going with this. Precision takeoff basically allows the drone to land pinpoint right where it took off from. This feature only works though if you have return to home activated. So if you're manually landing the drone, then precision takeoff will not work. This might seem like a silly point, but keep in mind, since the DJI MAVIC Pro is an older drone, it's been on the market for far longer. Which means companies have had a load of time to create cool accessories that you can incorporate on your MAVIC Pro. For example, there are ND filters, landing gear extensions, and even cute little faces that you can place on your drone, and so much more. This might be the most important reason of them all. How much does it cost?
Hey, Tutor?
Yeah, dude?
Yeah, I'm just looking on the DJI website right now, and it's saying that the DJI MAVIC Pro is no longer available.
Oh yeah, the reason why it says...
Can you please explain that?
Yeah, I was just saying...
Like, right now, please. No, dude, no!
Okay, now that the problem has been...
resolved,
we can continue. So the MAVIC Pro is no longer being produced. New, at least. It is, though, being produced refurbished.
Hey, what does the word you just said mean?
Refurbished basically means
Ow.
new, but not really. The actual definition of refurbished is renovate and redecorate. Let me break it down. Let's say, for example, someone had a drone, and for some reason they decide they don't want the drone anymore. They give the drone back to the company, and the company then gives the drone a 15-point inspection, basically making sure the drone is in like new condition. Then they sell the drone at a lower price and call it refurbished. So yeah, basically a refurbished drone is a drone that has been returned to the company, thoroughly reviewed, and then sold again at a lower price. But yeah, the refurbished MAVIC Pro, according to the DJI website, costs about $800, while the Fly More combo will run you about $1,000. A little bit on the pricier side, but considering how much this drone originally costed and how much you're getting out of this drone, it is worth it. The final reason why you should buy the DJI MAVIC Pro is because I personally recommend the drone. I mean, I've only had the drone for maybe 4 months now, maybe 5. I think I had the drone for maybe 5 months now, but I really enjoy the drone, guys. This drone is a very good drone. Like, it has 4K, it has a 4K camera, 20-minute flight time. So many options that you can have with this drone. It could go so far. It has so many capability, guys. It's an amazing drone, and I really recommend this drone to you guys. But if you guys again would like me to make a intelligent flight mode video on the MAVIC Pro, I would be very glad to do so. Thank you guys again for watching the video. We sadly have reached the end of the video. If you guys haven't done it already, please hit the subscribe button. That'll really make my day. Thank you guys again for everything. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.